Hi everyone, just want to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from my house to yours. Hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for all your love, encouragement, support, and we just made another milestone, 150,000 subscribers. You are the reason I have been making videos and I will continue making videos. Thank you so much. And if you need any recommendations for recipes for the holidays, I would say spring rolls and pan fry wontons are good appetizers. And my noodle dishes like stir-fry noodles with shrimp and stir-fry udon noodle with chicken will be good to share with everybody. Of course, hot pot for me is a go-to one and to share with the family and friends. Hope you enjoy good food, good time. Wishing you and your family a very happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year. I will see you in 2020. Bye. See you in the New Year.